If you think you're the king of the road and can park wherever you feel like it, this Park Time episode is basically calling you out. Today we're taking a look at some accidental masterpieces created by a community that officially ran out of patience. From passive-aggressive love notes covering the windshield to colorful paint upgrades nobody asked for, every single one sends the same message. Don't test people's limits. Go ahead and laugh, but then maybe do a quick self-check so you don't end up being the main character in our next compilation. Parked so bad getting out turns into an escape room challenge. Safe to say he just learned don't gamble next to a big truck. This one's giving. Brain offline, steering wheel on autopilot. One second of, I'll make it, and now it's very railroad core. That's what happens when you park next to the wrong thing. Tiny car stuck in ecosystem-level drama. One steering move and the car said, nature it is. Road lines are apparently just decorative. One impulsive move, and now the whole neighborhood has content. Park wrong and get the free full-body custom package. Park wrong and get the free full-body custom package. He didn't park wrong, he parked in the wrong territory. That's not parking, that's free morning cardio. Small car tried the final boss, underlevel. That fence was basically a patience test, and he failed. He didn't park the car, he planted it. One gentle reverse, and the entire sidewalk lost its privileges. This one's like vitamin C. Looks healthy, but not helpful. This isn't a rescue, it's a gravity challenge. The two cars touched like they were whispering secrets. He wasn't parking, he was figure skating. The car wanted the curb said no. He parked and accidentally put on a live show. From now on, he'll probably check the ground before getting confident. He parked and ended up with an unwanted convertible version. That's parking so bad, you need a ladder to climb back up. He parked and unlocked the rustic upgrade package. Parked next to 35 tons of confidence and hoped for a gentle outcome. From now on, he'll probably check his mirrors for more than 5 seconds. He parked like he forgot other people have steering wheels too. One tiny nudge, and the rear turned into modern art. The car didn't cause the drama. The bird stole the spotlight. Just backing up a few inches might have avoided this entire unplanned car wash. Driving isn't just about skill, it's about staying calm too, my friend. Looks like this car picked the perfect spot to test everyone's patience. It seems he forgot that on slippery roads, every calculation needs a few extra seconds. Park that close and you'll need your neighbor's permission just to open the door. It seems the guy behind believes safe distance is just a suggestion. The car thought it found a quiet hiding spot. It actually found a very solid tree. Trusting your towing power is fine. Trusting low ground clearance is risky. Today he didn't park a car, he parked his emotions. This one went in normal and came out missing parts. A sedan and a truck, both convinced they were right. He thought he parked temporarily. The excavator thought it was time to act fast. One small slide and two cars became unwilling best friends. parked at a confident 45-degree angle. Parked and turned it into a free circus show. She thought she was taking a stroll. She ended up planting the car in a field. The blue car paused halfway, unsure whether to go down or up. It was a move straight into the ground, ladies and gentlemen. For a second, it felt like we were watching an open F1 race, not a grocery run. Hard lesson learned, the laws of physics spare no one, and the brake pedal is always right next to the gas. Do you think this was fate at work, or just skills that weren't fully cooked yet? Drop your analysis in the comments below. Hit subscribe to Park Time for more heart-stopping moments every day.